I'll be showing you how you can set up SSL for your website. Now, just to clarify, SSL is going to remove this not secure warning from the browser, and in replacement of this, is going to show a padlock, which is going to make your website look more trustworthy and help build trust with your users. Just to give you some context of what an SSL looks like, if I go to ClickSlice, if I can spell the name right, you can see we have a padlock right here for our domain, and if you click it, connection is secure. So it just helps build trust with your users, and it's also a good thing to have. As you can see, if you don't have it, it highlights it very nice and clear these days that your website is not secure. So you definitely want to get SSL added to your websites. It's completely free to do as well, by the way. So to do so, if we are using Cloudways, we go back into our Cloudways portal. We'll go to applications, find the application for our website, so cutinhq.com, then go to SSL certificate on the left-hand side, and all you need to do is enter in an email address and your domain name. So I'll put in my email. Then you want to add in your domain name, so www.cutinhq.com, and then click install certificate. And once you have that certificate installed, if you go back over to Google and carry out a search for your website, www.cutinhq.com, you can now see it says secure, we have the padlock, and that's exactly what we want. That's it for this one, and I'll see you in the next video.